Sir, is this Bobby Ong?
Why you calling?
You have won 500,000 pesos to
Ano?
claim your prize. Please send your
I
full
think wrong number
details
po.
to...
Smartwatches aren't something die-hard watch aficionados really look forward to. But year after year, as each new smartwatch gets released, I believe we get closer and closer to breaking that mold. At the end of the day, the most popular watch in the world today is a smartwatch. If you asked me 5 years ago what was the one thing that kept regular watch enthusiasts from buying smart ones, I'd tell you it was design. In their infancy, not all smartwatches tried their hardest to look like regular watches, and the ones that did were on the bulky side. The ones that really didn't have all the smartest features. And of course, the whole premise of having to charge your watch, there's no way a Swiss-made loving watch winder would with that. Enter the Huawei Watch GT 4. This smartwatch from Huawei marries design with functionality, and spoilers, I think this product is a step in the right direction for smart wearables on your wrist. What up guys, Miguel here of Yugatech, and in this video, you already know what we're checking out. It's the Huawei Watch GT 4. Let's dive in. The Huawei Watch GT 4 was built with a design philosophy called Classic Evolve. It gracefully marries tradition with modernity, effortlessly merging the intricate art of geometric design with next-generation tech. Our review unit is the 46mm in black, and every facet from its octagonal bezel inspired by luxury watches and high-performance cars to its meticulously chosen materials can be interpreted as refined sophistication in the realm of smart timepieces. Alternatively, it comes in different colorways. Like I mentioned earlier, our unit is in the black with rubber strap variant. It's poised for the more athletic individual. It's durable, and if you don't like the strap, we can always replace it. There's also a brown color that features a leather strap that evokes timelessness. There's also a green rainforest GMT that was designed to pay homage to sustainability. This edition uses a strap made of 70% recycled ocean nylon and 30% recycled polyester, a testament to Huawei's environmental commitments. Then there's this really nice looking gray one that uses an integrated steel bracelet. It's made with 316L stainless steel, and in my opinion, it's the standout variant. It features corrosion resistance and a polished finish that I find to be quite the looker. But hey, 46mm might not be everyone's dial size, which is why along with the 46mm, Huawei also introduces the Watch GT 4 in 41mm. With a subtle nod to classic watch silhouettes, the design weaves fashion and functionality seamlessly. The 41mm features a pendant design emphasizing a blend of sleek lines and sophisticated curves, complemented by an arched surface on the watch lugs. The result is a blend of traditional elegance and modern ingenuity. This design might not be as aggressive looking as the 46mm variant, so if you wanted the 46mm design in a smaller diameter, you may need to look elsewhere. Either way, I could see guys rocking the 41mm design too. It comes in black that features a rubber strap, white that features a white leather strap, and silver that features a two-tone piano key bracelet, which again I think looks the nicest with its gold accenting and all. Moving back to the Watch GT 4 at 46mm, it gets an IP68 dust and water resistance rating of 5 ATM. It boasts a vivid 1.43-inch AMOLED screen, achieving an impressive pixel density of 326 pixels per inch. This expanded screen space, accompanied by ultra-thin bezels, offers users a sharp and clear viewing experience. It features a customizable always-on display that users can spend quite a while on. When in use, the always-on display's refresh rate can go down to as little as 1 Hz to save on battery life, as well as a crown that you can use to navigate through its Harmony OS powered interface. The crown also doubles as a nifty fidget toy, and it even interacts with all the watch faces, kind of like this. Okay, check out this kaleidoscope watch face, and feast your eyes! Whoa! Speaking of watch faces, the Huawei Watch GT4 series offers over 25,000 watch faces, ensuring that users can resonate with their style. The extensive customization options allow users to adjust backgrounds, styles, colors, and layouts. Like I said earlier, you could spend hours on this, which is why it's great to know that on a full charge and thoughtful utilization of raise to wake, we can easily achieve its marketed 14 days of usage. Of course, if you were a power user using all the James Bond features like taking calls on your watch, navigation, alarms, and all the rest of the cool stuff we'll get to, expect a good 7 days. Now, I know, regular watches don't need a charge. Ever heard of solar? Well, we aren't quite there yet with smartwatches, but I'm pretty sure a regular watch can't give you some sick health features. Huawei's unwavering commitment to health and wellness ensures that the Watch GT4 46mm offers consistent health surveillance. Features like continuous heart rate monitoring, pulse oximetry, and continuous skin temperature monitoring ensure you stay informed about your well-being every moment you're wearing your watch. Now, I didn't get the chance to test this out cause, duh, but the Watch GT4 series could be quite useful for ladies surfing the crimson wave. It features intelligent menstrual and ovulation cycle predictions, backed by precise health data reminders, hopefully making tracking and managing ladies' feminine health convenient. Moving on, we also get Huawei True Sleep 3.0. This infrared-based sleep monitoring feature facilitates deep sleep analysis from sleep stage and heart rate tracking to breathing patterns, ensuring you achieve optimal rest without any disturbances. The Huawei Watch GT4 series also gets pulse wave arrhythmia analysis, which provides in-depth heart health insights, enabling users to comprehend their cardiac well-being and proactively address potential issues. Apart from this, the watches also feature over 200 Huawei free fitness courses. Users can customize training regimens based on their fitness goals. Its adaptive running plans adjust in real time for the most accurate results. It also features Bluetooth 5.2 for connectivity and NFC. We also have TrueScene 5.5 Plus, a next-generation heart rate monitoring system that Huawei touts to bring unmatched precision leveraged by AI-enhanced algorithms and multi-channel signal enhancements. Watch GT4 also introduces 19 new professional sports modes. We get comprehensive coverage from common activities like walking and running to specialized modes like soccer and esports. Through detailed assessments and recommendations, users can optimize their training regimen for maximum results. The revamped activity rings provide an engaging visual cue, promoting healthier exercise habits. They offer dynamic insights and guidance, ensuring users are constantly motivated to achieve their fitness milestones. There's even Strava support on the Watch GT4 series, so cyclists and runners can get the most out of this watch. But at the end of the day, what's the point of this Huawei smartwatch if you aren't in the Huawei ecosystem? Well, with Huawei Watch GT4 series, you can easily enjoy broad compatibility across various smartphone OSs, enabling almost everyone to enjoy and experience the wide spectrum of features you can get out of this watch. Features like being able to take calls on your wrist, quick replying to messages via SMS or any major messaging application like WhatsApp, Instagram messaging, Facebook Messenger, Telegram, and even Viber. It's compatible with non-Huawei smartphones running Android 6 and iOS 9 or later. I even heard that there was this feature coming where we can use Gcash QRs displayed on the screen for payment. Pretty sick. Wait a minute, payment? That's right. How much does this thing cost? Well, we don't have any official information on pricing yet, but we have heard from the grapevine that it should be within the ballpark range of 10 to 15,000 pesos. Which, if true, doesn't sound half bad for the package you're getting here. The Huawei Watch GT4 will officially be available in the Philippines on October 5, 2023. And overall, for someone who isn't the biggest fan of smart wearables, the Huawei Watch GT4 in 46mm definitely elevates the boundaries of the affordable smartwatch landscape in 2023. I would say it definitely piqued my interest a fair share. I like this approach Huawei's doing, catering to adventurers, fashion enthusiasts, and those who seek precision. It stands as a testament to personal expression and the future of wearable technology. So there you have it. What do you guys think of Huawei's Watch GT 4 series? Are you thinking of picking any of them up for yourself? Let us know in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to smack that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit that bell icon so you get notified of our future uploads. Be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Again, this has been Miguel! And this was the Huawei Watch GT4 in 46mm, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers.